Dear students, welcome back to maths class. In last two classes, we are discuss your first lesson, number system. In number system, we are discussing Indian system and also million system. We work some problems on the basis of Indian system and million system, number names and place value, and how can we write the commas. So we are discuss both two systems also. So let us revise it and go to discuss today concept. Okay, see your first lesson. So name of the lesson is number system. See here, so this is also a previous knowledge. So this is previous basic knowledge. uh, we are already discussing your fourth standard, and this main already completed. Numbers name we have to write in both Indian system and million system. And once we revise the expanded form of numbers also we are completed. And next one of the important main, that is place value of circle digit. The place value of circle digits also completed. And see, these are all mains we are already completed in your previous class. So, and next, so look at this, introducing of 8 and 9 digit also we are completed. So look at this. So are you remember this? So this is a place chart of Indian system. So look at here. So once you revise this place chart of Indian system, so once, so this is a group, periods of group. How can we write the commas in ones, tens and hundreds periods, and thousand periods after we write one commas, and lakhs place also and crore place also we write one commas. And next you see here, this is a place chart of million system place chart, this one. And as usual what we are discussing Indian system, so that's the type. This is also a million system place chart, and we work on the basis of Indian system and million system. We write 8 and 9 digits number names. You practice this exercise also. So look at this, these are all working problems, exercise working problems we already completed. And next, one of the important concept in number system, that is place value. So look at this place value concept also we are completed. So, and see here some problems I will give as an homework. And today concept we are discussing expanded notation. So look at here, this is an expanded notation. You know, the expanded notation are not a newest concept. So you already learned in your previous lower classes, pre-primary classes also you are learned. And do you remember that one? So we call it expanded form and standard form. Standard form and expanded form. So expanded notation is nothing but an expanded form also. So today we are discussing how can we expand a given number. So we are introducing 8 and 9 digits in your classes. So that's why particularly they were mentioned. How can we expand this number? So simple examples. So here the expanded form, ex, expand form and standard form. Expanded form and standard form. So I will show some problems. We are working expanded form and standard form on the basis of. So we are taking a simple example. For example, 3149 is there. How can we expand this? So yes, we are expand the number. We are just split the number according to their place value only. So simply the expanded form is nothing but we are writing the place value of the number, the sum of the place value of the number. So you should remember. So particularly the previous main is we are discuss the place value of an underlined digit or place value of a circle digit we are discussing in previous class. Are you remember? So what is the place value of 3? You simply tell about it is an Indian system only you tell. So the place value of 3 is, yes, 3 is in thousand place. So therefore the place value of 3 is 3000. Okay. So and the next digit is 1. We are going this side. So we are not counting. As usual, we are counting ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So we are telling first the place value of 3 and next what is the place value of 1. 1 is in 100 place. So therefore the place value of 1 is 100. So the place value of 4 as usual it is in the tens place, so therefore the place value is 40, and 9 is in ones place as usual it is in ones place antandre, so it is 9 only. So 9 is in ones place or unit place, the place value of 9 is itself only, So hagadre the standard form only we write that sum of the place values. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ expanded form. The sum of the place value is an expanded form. And you remember in previous pre-primary classes, so they were telling simply you write 3 anta bariri, the expanded form. In blind method we also tell 3 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ +1 ಬರೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅದು ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ expanded form. And so next we are discuss an expanded form simply. And what is the standard form? The standard form is what? They were split this type, and we are write the standard form 3100 plus 40 plus 9. So we are giving this sum of all these digits we tell about. So that is one blind method also we are telling about the standard form andre the first digit 3149 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is a standard form. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ expanded form and we write the original number, that is a standard form. So on the basis of this simple example they were written some more digits, and it means they were giving 8 and 9 digits to expand it. So 8 ಮತ್ತು 9 digits na expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let us take one more example for your exercise. So look at here. So this is an example. Look at here, they were already, some of them are already write it. So look at here. Express these numbers in their expanded form. So express these numbers. You also open your textbook and simply see this example. They were grouping 3 numbers after one comma. Three numbers after they were making a comma ಅಂತಂದರೆ you should remember this basically. So 3 numbers group ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, so we simply know about that system is international system. So international number system. Okay, so write an example. You once count the place value. So ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000, and 10,000 after in Indian system lakhs is came, but in million system millions place, million after 10 million, and 10 million after 100 million. So first you count their place value and first read the number yourself only. First you read the number yourself. So read it. So one you read any 8, 9, 10 digit number. First you count their places. Okay, you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So how can we read the number name? We already discussed in your previous classes. 463 million. So ee mooru number, these 3 numbers are in the millions place. So that's why 463,104,579. So we are expand this number. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಹೌ ಕೆನ್ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ we are using 4 is in 100 million place. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ 4 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 ಮುಂದೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, 8 ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 3 + 2 = 5, 5 + 3 = 8. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 6 ಮುಂದೆ 3 + 3 6, 6 + 1 7. ನೋಡಿ 1 0 ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ 1 0. ಸೊ 60 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, 7 ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, 3 ಮುಂದೆ 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 3 ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 3 is we simply write yes. So next we decrease 1 0, here 7 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 1 is nothing but we are decreasing 1 0 ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್, ಎಸ್ ವಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 5 zeros only. The place value of 1 is 100,000. 100,000. Okay, so look at this pattern. See here, idu 4, the place value of 4 is 400 million. The place value of 6 is 60 million. The place value of 3 is 3 million. The place value of 1 is 100,000. So plus the next digits is 0. 0 is in 10,000 place ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 0 is nothing but 0 only. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು 0. 0ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 4 is 4 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 3 ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 4 is 4,000. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ the place value of 5 is 500 plus the place value of 7 is 70 plus 9. Okay, so this is an expanded form. So you just write their place value, sum of their place value. Okay, so this we have to expand in the system of million system only we express this. Okay, so one problem we are take to express in Indian system. So Indian system only one problem na express mana. So that is the B problem. So B problem they are making a 2 numbers group antantandre simply we are telling this is, so this is a problem B. This is a problem B andre. So count madi once, you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 30 crore, 70 lakhs, 18,209. So we are at this expanded form. So 3, the place value of 3 is 3 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Yes, how many digits are there? So we are writing that zeros. So the place value of 3 is 30 crore. 30 crore and next digit is 0, so that's why we are writing as it is 0. So their next digit is 1. So 1 is in 10 lakhs place. So 1 ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೊನ್ನೆನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros ಹಾಕಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6. So then you make the group. Here ಒಂದು ಕಾಮ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ here after one ಕಾಮ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ 1 ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಮುಂದೆ how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So you write 5 zeros plus 1 is in 1000 place. So therefore the place value of 1 is 10,000. So and next is 8 is in 1000 place and the place value of 8 is 8,000 plus 2 is in 100 place, the place value of 2 is 200. So plus 0 plus 9 is in ones place. 9 is in ones place. So look at this. This is a pattern of writing the expanded form. So you are only check about C, D, E, F. If any doubt regarding this part, so you tell me. So this is a way to expand the number, okay? And next they were telling a standard form. Standard form antandre, so look at this pattern. Standard form. The standard form of an international system. These expressions, standard form. So these are all problems. They are giving the standard form in the international system. So particularly mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They are all giving in an international system ಅಂತ. So ನೋಡಿ simply see this example. They are expanded here. ಅವರೇ expanded form ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we are write the number form. So number formನೇ ನಾವು standard form ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So here these are all examples. They were giving an international system, so that's why international number name ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 400 million. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 400 million ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸೊ 400 million 78,543,910. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನ್, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. And we are taking a next lesson, addition, subtraction also. I will give addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. As your test, these are all important concepts. What we are discussing in your previous video classes, already we are completed addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. On the basis of that, I will frame about question paper, okay? So we are completed subtraction, multiplication and division also, okay? Thank you.